Bring the hand.
By force, eh?
By force. Bring.
I'm ready for you.
I don't
Please
understand.
marry me. I don't have a husband. I'm single. Yes. No. Hey, why are you lying?
The young sister is ready for you. She's not ready for you. Abana babuze Uganda mula.
Nti ab'e Uganda bayaaye.
Oba okoppa muganda wo.
Era nkoppa ne Robert. Nga naye bwe yansooka nange njagala kudda wano.
Nesiro mutaddemu nnyingi.
Sente weeziri.
Omwagala ebyaddala.
Byaddala. Sente weeziri.
Oyagala muzannyirako oba byaddala?
Asikumuzannyirako.
Tunajjanga Roba bw'akikoze.
Ngenda kukomawo ate mangu. Ate gwe sijja kukugamba.
Naira olayamu.
Nyinza n'okudda wiiki ejja. How are you seeing me? You didn't hear me. I'm saying, now the short time we have spent together.
It was nice. I really enjoyed to spend some time with you. I really appreciate it. So,
You see,
I'm going to miss you a lot.
sure.
Yes. I don't know when you're coming back for me.
I'm going to come very soon. Because you see, the very first time I saw you, I realized that we should have a future together.
Okay, but I was thinking maybe we need some time to know each other because we only knew each other for 2 days. So I need to know you more. I need to know more about you.
But does love take a lot of time to...
No,
Is it a classroom?
No, it's not a classroom.
That we should
But
study?
we need time to know each other more. Because now we don't even know what you like, what I like. So we need to...
But I think we have gone through all that, isn't it?
Not really that much.
In the 2 days, haven't we gone through all that?
So you think you know me
Yes, I know
with
you.
these 2 days?
Yes,
Really?
yes, I know you.
Are you serious?
Yes, I've realized that you're so good, so kind, so humble, and hardworking.
Thank you.
Yeah, for the shortest time I've been with you, it's been so good.
Oh, am I
I
sweet?
think even sweet. How can you measure sweetness? have I tasted you? Yes. Have I?
Hi, Bo.
Have I?
You give me
The 2 days. You said the 2 days to think like
It's
that,
sweet of
isn't
me,
it?
personally, not
Yes, you are. You are sweet. For real sweet.
Oh, okay, thank you. And you,
There's something small.
I like you also because you are cool and you are kind.
Thank you.
That's what I just like about you.
Thank you.
I think I need to know you more than this.
Okay. I also thank you for...
I think we'll go far.
I also thank you for escorting me to the airport.
Okay, yes.
And
My
for real,
pleasure.
it's been so good.
Right anti akazigo akakabi akomulembe gwe nawe no muvubuka ali eyo nga wetaga akazigo akashananya olususulu otambule muko bagambe ono omwana wawa akazigo kali kamukokka ku mukazi ali eyo oli mu kiyombo oliwa akazigo kali kamukokka ke Nyondo Grim kosobola okubanga wekwatako n'okyusa olususulo ne lufaananga olwa baby omutone lunyirira tekerusa tekayeta biti binabi namakula byonna byonna bobolinamu kabijjamu ne kabigugula bulungi nnyo osobasa ku namba y'essimu eri wano wamanga noti eri +9715246807778 osoba funa obo byataze bakola deliveries zakabi bona bona obosinze baba kikutuusako nanga akange kakano kangede nkakozeseko.
It's a box. It's a box, eh?
So do you have something to mix with it?
For that?
Just do it like that. Right. Do you have a small cup?
Small cup, big cup.
Yeah, a small glass. Look for it down the other side.
This bag of Zimbabwe.
I know you go on the surface.
This bag of Harare, they don't have glass.
Mari tumbler. Can you please let it give it?
Those glasses? No, that's wait. You cannot use that.
Yeah.
Somebody is here. So your box is here. Welcome. No. You can begin.
No, I don't want beer. I'm okay. No, I want juice. I don't like beer. I only want juice, please.
This is going to
No. This one will kill my kidneys. I don't like it. No, I want your love. No?
Yes.
Yeah, only love. I want love.
That's good.
Yes, baby.
That's good of you.
You're my love.
So the love is there.
Yes.
Yeah, water on.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want my beer. You want my water, eh?
No, only.
You don't want my water, eh?
Yes.
Okay. Am I now Troy?
Yes, that's you.
Okay.
Can be here, no
That's
problem.
you.
Babe, will you give me twins?
Yes.
The twins?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
You gotta
I'll
give me
give you
twins.
twins. Thank you, love. Oh, woo. Oh. There we are. We are enjoying here. But I'm not a beer person.
You're a water person.
Hello. Nas beya tendera nas.
We take it in.
Yes.
It's very sexy, marriage.
Yeah. It's it's daily bread.
In the morning.
Anytime it's tea time for sex.
And the tree.
Yes. Under the bed.
In the toilet.
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen. Good.
This has
Hello. Yes, John. Hey. Why did you come the other time? When I still had time. You would have met me. I'm gonna teach her Uganda, eh?
Yeah, slow by slow.
And I know she'll understand.
And slow by
very
sure.
fast. What about my Mulamu?
She's great.
There are things I want to buy. There are things I want to buy. Someone's computer.
Really?
Someone's computer.
I wasn't looking. I'm calling this person to
Like,
tell us where it is.
where is the High Court of Zimbabwe
We just passed it now.
and Court of Appeal?
Appeal is there behind.
It's
Close to the parliament. Close to the president's office there. This is the High Court behind us.
it's the High Court. Yeah, you can find it.
Open it.
You've already started. Is this phone safe? Is the phone safe?
Yeah.
Is the phone safe? Somewhere put a bag. Looks like that place. I want a bag. That's where our pots are. The pots are here, eh?
The black ones or this one?
What about these two?
And what about these two? And what about this?
Oh, I must go there.
What about these two? And I want this and that.
You want the one set, the big one and the smaller one. This one will come and come down. So it's fine. You
Uripi. Seria 19.5. So for Yabadea 21 points. Obutiko bwa bulabi. Walabe obutiko bwa plastic. Tekajje. Kumeka plastic naye tekajje.
Sisi tunaona kama kabbe. Bali mnada kwenda kwa airport basi munuke.
Naye nakuna ndeka tu. Kama.
What is 6 going? What's 6 done? Huh?
You pick the box. Okay? Then you pick for us also. Those two. You pass them. The big box. Then
Alington, I'm a customer here.
yes.
Alington, don't pay that thing.
Unokwanisa kuseva avera. Uyo wabatsire muluvi ndinde
Kati ngina kujja mu yentono. 105.
Bro, wapi? Handi chigo, umanaka.
We are paying for the box and the key.
You are paying for the
box, the bigger one and the little.
two kango sets and two kango sets and
No, not 2 now.
We need the box
one box of kango
and the two big ones.
two big ones.
The first big one and the second.
Hey, what did I say?
But to what day?
We have got E and E backstage, but we have got 2 options.
So what would that you talk with? One
So,
six.
Makabadi E and here, monopio and packaging.
So we have our $5.
But at the same time, monopio and alternative in later. We want to send support.
So
She
come
will
on.
give you change, don't worry.
Oh, there's your change. Okay, she's going to give.
When I pay GSM, look by Pasiri Jane,
Kati what day?
look by Trinity.
Kukango what day? Ate nizo mbadde nzigula kinene. Naye kye nja okukola anko njamuwa eddako.
Pane gadzira kuti AC yakadaro. Kogadzira kuti DC yakadaro. But iyo inenge ine
See, I would have taken that other big one.
My customer ingori free. Always forget about the combo system in where ina.
When you came here, did you know this?
She didn't know the display.
You know that one my free is no than the man. Lo kuti long mtsakunye pere mkamtsa singa dambi.
Yes, you can go set.
And those two.
Money you must have been roads.
Aiwa hii. Big one. Aiwa hii my voice number.
And next big one.
The big one. I want to put it in.
You can go set. I see you. I'm now. You can go set, mama. Listen.
box eriwa. Box eriwa.
No.
What happened?
It has no space.
No space? We go. So what do we know?
Airport. tired, we are hungry.
What's the power bank?
She has it.
They are rude when they don't give you even one. The way he's laughing. Hello.
The restaurant. No. Okay. Let me think about it. This is the.
Are we going straight to the industry or we want to ask you?
My plex. I gotta say. Said the group job. BC. Said you couldn't. My lord, what is that? What's that? Dinaro.
You are missing something here.
Adimaro.
I missed you. I should have come yesterday because I spent the one day already yesterday. Just close by it. Are you no longer going back home?
No.
Hey, why?
It will be late.
Hey.
It will be late. You know now the jam is too much. And the jam is mad, so I cannot make it. So near them to go outside. Then they come back. Even people who are there are now beginning the journey.
Oh.
Where are we going? We are not Dinkas,
Your phone is big.
Yes. Hi. And that dress is also matching, yeah? Rose? That dress is matching.
Very matching.
I'm in town.
Very well matching.
Blend Yezimbabwe. Bad. Uncle. Sorry? Sorry? Nah, ba. Can't be so. Yeah, China internet. Hi, babe.
Hi, love.
You okay? How do you feel? You feel good? How do you feel on with me? Be honest. Be honest.
Where's the liquor? What's it?
Danny? Yes? Let Daddy see. Wow.
Sparkling. Hello? European.
Very nice. Yeah, I like whiskey. So
There's whiskey in it as well.
what I'm saying, I like whiskey. That's why I chose that.
Okay.
I don't know the types which I apart from
Well, look.
focuses.
There's
Apart
whiskey.
from focuses, then Uganda.
Which one?
These are big, they are big pieces. They are big pieces.
No, it's spaghetti. Which one would you say? Amayali. Mutore kusukisa mabreti. You drag mazo from here.
So there's orange and one.
Raspberry.
Mazowe. What's the meaning of mazowe?
It's the juice from Zimbabwe.
Oh.
From orange. Orange.
My there's not there.
There's another one.
There's
There's another one now.
yeah.
There's another kind.
Yes, we'll look for another flavor. Let's go.
It's not here.
Yes, we'll look for it.
Okay.
Now, so sorry, but Peter,
Not even here.
yes. There's lost here.
So
You can
apart
see
from
there's
oil,
orange, there's cream soda.
there's mango.
No, don't take that from that one. You want the mango. This here one. Cream. This one is nicer. Kundai.
Then
Let's wait for you with the basket. If you want the cream soda, you can take this one. It's nice.
that one I have. So it has no other type.
There's this one, blackberry.
Blackberry and cream soda.
Yeah, it's two different things.
Now I think let me
I
take,
think we need raspberry, yeah?
I think let me take cream soda.
Cream soda.
Yes.
Okay.
And
And
what else?
oh, do you want raspberry?
Which one?
This one is raspberry.
That one is like mazoe.
Red.
Yes. It's red.
Maybe today they got away with the basket.
Essa avançante de ligação de pega calça, de ligação pega calça,
It's
de
mazoe
ligação de
raspberry.
pega calça.
Raspberry.
Yeah, it's, if you drink it, your tongue will become red. It's raspberry, this one.
Okay. So you pick it for me as
You
well.
want this one, raspberry as well?
Yes.
Okay. What else?
Only a lot.
For you nothing. You want okay.
Let's put mango. Come. Oh.
Oh, my juice. You mean we could have it?
I want this one.
This one? Another. You know that?
But I'm not in the fridge,
You can pick it.
Yeah, I want to pick something from the fridge. Can I pick this one? Alright, is it okay? Alright.
It's okay. How much is it?
128 which 128 into US dollars
128?
no 128 no, it's in Zimbabwean dollar. Something like $2.
These are sweet for kids, marshmallows, they're nice. Yes. Alright.
done it. Oh. Oh. So don't run away. You're running.
I'm coming.
Why is my beautiful running away?
I'm good running away. I'm here.
So
One more sweet or what?
Beg your pardon? Oh, someone is passing, yeah? Sorry.
which one?
And take this one.
Now I'm thinking my keep at home.
Okay.
The picture at Katiri Getulaga. They the picture. They didn't town. You know those pots? The ones you use for cooking.
Which one do you want? The black one or what?
The black ones.
This pot black.
You know where they sell at the cheaper price?
Yes, to go there in the industry.
Where?
In the industry.
In the industry.
Yes, I'm going on.
When are they home?
Yes. How can we buy it now? Because now what you come.
Are we done? Waliwo biscuit wambuzi babuyita manchi. Have you seen it? You know what he's saying? No, don't listen to him.
Cooking for the relish for the soup.
The soup. Then this. This is the chicken. That's very good. This is nice for chicken.
Yes, for the piece chicken. It's nice for chicken. Then use this one.
So what is it?
Oh, it's for you.
Frozen bread. Let's be funny, guys, for the sake of time. So now, did you understand where we're going? That place you were talking about, we didn't understand where we That's the reason why we chose to come around here. But they're not going to, I don't know.
Hey, you have come here.
Because we cannot go there. Because we cannot go there.
It's too far.
Very far. About something like 30 something kilometers away. I've never so I asked my price to that. Hey, thank you very much. Let's do it fast, guys.
sorry.
And these are pudding and jelly.
Oh. For me, would I know? More like akajiko kaladi.
You want the pot like this maybe?
Rose, they're saying we should take videos, yeah?
You want this one?
Around here they are damn expensive.
Is it okay?
It's fine now. So
But when you get outside, it's okay.
you can take. So
No. You're not doing that.
you know what you're planning? You must tell the person, you must send it to Zimbabwe. Like,
And it's possible.
send you money in your line for the country. So you can't take it. You must send it in that thing. You must send in that thing.
Now let me add it. Alright, did you count it? Did you count it?
You cannot take anything. I
Yeah,
know.
I cannot. Kilo umeenda kuzaa mzee.
Naida.
Badolo ja kuzinga.
Ahera zijja.
Toina dola. Toina dola. I love those ones. Oh, hii ni kingine hapa. My Murora. So I talk to say from here. So that is my Rozet. So that is my Murora, eh?
You see Murora now.
So to the Matthew now.
We need to talk. We need to talk.
Yeah, we need to.
can work for us.
Yeah.
Very.
So where are we going to buy food?
I don't know.
Ask if this one, because they are now in line. They are charged now. This one to rate.
No. No. The guy is inside. Murora, the guy is Murora should come. Wow. It's the black one.
Let me see Murora.
Madina number 5.
Just go there.
Rose, you know what? Rose. You know what?
No.
Tomorrow you're going to Rwanda. You need some little money to keep you alive.
Why?
Isn't it? Rwanda, you'll exchange. How do you see?
What's that?
You'll exchange easily. The first 225 plus 256.
How much I write here? Husband or what? Andrew. Hey, this is sweet too. Andrew husband.
256.
Yes.
772.
Yes.
83.
Yes.
28.
Wow, very insane. Andrew
Pina.
husband. Plus 263. What must I write?
So in this area.
My name or what?
Yeah.
Patience.
Patience.
Ozoko.
You.
Do you know Zoko? Do you know Patience Ozoko?
Yes, I know it.
Patience, right?
Wife. You know, the home they say, who is this wife? What
Don't
is-
worry.
Eh.
That's my problem, not yours.
You want me to?
Isn't it, Mula?
Yeah, it's your problem.
That's mine. And by the way, I'm a man.
Plus
I'm a man. I didn't know to
263,
answer to two men.
77805 263. That's for me.
Am I lying?
Sorry?
As a man, do I have the responsibility to govern my home?
Yeah, you see, the number which comes is your own from Zim.
I also have a Zimbabwean life.
Good driver, wow, you're going to eat, eh?
Want to eat?
What came out?
No, me, I don't want that.
You see, once we are married,
You know how
we are supposed.
Catholics, they
Yes,
don't allow you to have two wives.
we are supposed to be in Kampala.
Kampala. Okay. Do you know Uganda? You know, Roman Catholics.
Yes.
They only allow one wife.
But I can wed one. I'm staying with the other.
Without no wedding, eh?
Yes.
Because I know.
Sister tikapedza utenda kutazi.
Amen. Ukushashila wendeni kwa tata nzitendo kwa mshapeli.
Are there some companies here that can transport things
Yes, lots.
to Uganda?
Yes, lots.
Where?
We will look for them.
Which one do you know?
There is lots looking for it. What do you call it? Cargo. Then we ask. There's lots of people here that do stuff. Malaicha, etc.
When I reach,
You want to send from you?
that's our secret.
Our secret.
Yes. We are already downtown, not so.
Not yet.
Yesterday.
Did you come this side yesterday?
There's that tax park, where Budirio taxis
Yeah, in
park.
the corner there.
You know it.
Bata and Market Square.
Budirio taxis. Yeah. No Budirio. No.
What is?
How have you seen me? You didn't hear me. I'm saying, now the short time we have spent together.
It was nice.
It was
I
nice.
really enjoyed to spend some time with you. I really appreciate it. So,
You see,
I'm going to miss you a lot.
sure,
Yes. I don't know when you are coming back for me.
I'm going to come very soon. Because
I
you see, the very first time I saw you, I realized that we should have a future together.
Okay, but I was thinking maybe we need some time to know each other because we only knew each other for 2 days. So I need to know you more. I need to know more about you.
But does love take a lot of time to?
No,
Is it a classroom
no, it's not a classroom.
that we should
But
study?
we need time to know each other more because now we don't even know what you like, what I like. So we need to.
But I think we have gone through all that, isn't it?
Not really that much.
In the 2 days, haven't we gone through all that?
So you think you know me
Yes, I know
with
you.
these 2 days?
Yes,
Really?
yes, I know you.
Are you serious?
Yes, I've realized that you're so good, so kind, so humble, and
you.
hardworking.
Thank you.
Yeah, for the shortest time I've been with you, it's been so good.
Oh, am I
I
sweet?
think even sweet. How can we measure sweetness? have I tasted you? Yes. Have I?
Hi, Bo.
Have I?
You kill me.
The 2 days. You said the 2 days. Can't
I'm the sweet I'm talking is how am I?
Yes.
Am I sweet?
Okay,
Not
okay,
the
okay,
other way you
okay, you're
think it.
sweet.
Oh,
You're
that's what I
sweet.
wanted to ask about.
You're sweet.
Not the sweet, the sweet you're thinking of.
No, it's also
No,
I'm
not talking about that sweet.
it's also
I'm
okay to
thinking
think about to think like
the
that,
sweet of
isn't
me,
it?
personally, not.
Yes, you are. You are sweet. For real, you're sweet.
Oh, okay, thank you. Anyway,
There's something small.
I like you also because you are cool and you are kind.
Thank you.
That's what I just like about you.
Thank you.
I think I need to know you more than this.
Okay. I also thank you for.
I think we'll go far.
I also thank you for escorting me to the airport.
Okay, yes.
And
My
for real,
pleasure.
for real, it's been so good
Okay.
to have you as a friend.
Okay.
For a few days we've spent together.
Okay.
And there's something small I want to show you.
Okay, it's fine.
Once we get out of the car, I want to show you something.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, I would love that.
I want to show my friend something once we get out of the car.
Okay, that's really good of you. I'll just put
This one here, the box. So how are we taking our things? How are we taking our things? Open. You open for me here. Eh? Open for me here.
Right, but anytime I'm no longer comfortable, honestly. Because of my time.
You're not comfortable.
We took a lot of time.
Sorry. So how are we going to pack this?
and put this inside your pot, ne?
We put it
They will wrap there. They also got. We didn't buy for us. Panonamirwa mukati. The nama there. Inside they got salad. They will wrap it. They will wrap it inside.
This is exhausting.
Mafizuga. Apa ndingodaita budget. Andimataura naye. Amani kumzana achisekera ngemataura naye. Okay. It's okay. Are you managing it? Yes? Let's do this. Baba, show. It can fit there. Nasema makastoma nyano diniwa ze. Aiwa anokubhadhara. Moto mudzi. Ale. How are you going to carry it? Currently to the airport, Saka, Nikakuno, Panozo, Yakuno, I'm on Mama, you're not chungoro inside. Because he's going to sit in there. Because checking again to Konaka through. That was the two guys.
How are we going to handle?
What? You need that there's a trolley there which you put bricks. Let's go and get it. You're walking slowly. Come close.
I'm walking slowly. This is how I walk.
Did you find a trolley? Yeah, that one. Take that one. Go and take this. At here there's no entrance. I think you must go through there. Can it fit in there? achati mukadzi ari kuninga. Oli musajja mmekete.
Ate lwaki? Ekiwala kyo nkyagadde.
Nengo kitaddemu sente nawe ebintu by'oshopinze $10. Tubadde 10 biri ebintu by'oshopinze. Kiki ennyo?
Anti nkyagadde.
Sinte nkadde.
Njagala nkomewo.
Abaana babuze Uganda muula.
Anti ab'e Uganda bayaali.
Oba okoppa muganda wo.
Era nkoppa ne Robert. Nga naye bwe yansooka nange njagala kudda wano.
Nesiro mutaddemu nnyingi.
Sente weeziri.
Omwagala ebyaddala.
Byaddala. Sente weeziri.
Okakasa.
Nnyo. Nina kyenjagala okukola.
Wano ku airport.
Wano kuba nava e Kampala ne nzija wano. Nga ndi mwetegefu. Nina kyenajja nakyo. Gwe oyagala Robert ambyeko show.
Tegala roba kulyako show. Was oli ready mu ngeri ki?
Ate kati kyenjagala okukola gw'ogenda kukiraba.
Gwe sokola ekyo kiri luda banenga okyagadde. Kikisinza okumukwagala nze ndabanga ente enkadde.
Nedda.
Enkulu tenyuwa.
Nedda ate enkulu gw'ogirabye ng'enkulu.
Walaba nga kibyola oba muola onyweddemu.
Nedda maama. Nava ku mwenge emyezi nga 5.
So kito
Kito.
Ondabayo
Kito abakazi
b'eno.
Balaba. Bakula nnyo. Gye twabadde tewalabye omwana w'emyaka 17. Ng'alinga ow'emyaka 4.
Nenga baabuzeewo baliruda baatutidde. Babali batudde eri. Yaza okuwerekera tuze kuwerekera naye nze ndabye sere z'otaddemu. Muula. Wali mwatuuseewo. Njagala mbulye mazima.
Sijja kubuulya mazima.
Lwaki tubadde mmotoka agambye you're so sweet. What is the meaning of that?
Ekigambo ekyo kisinzira ne ku mpisa kuba singa bya sweetness biri by'ogamba teyandikyogedde. Bya mpisa.
Naye agambye you're so sweet.
Yalabye empisa z'omuntu.
Mu bikolwa. So you're sweet, yakulabiddewo.
Yandabiddewo.
Oyagala muzanyirako oba byaddala?
Asikumuzanyirako.
Tunajjanga Roba bwakikoze.
Ngenda kukomawo ate mangu. Ate gwe sijja kukugamba.
Naye olayamu.
Nyinza n'okuddawo ekyejja.
Oyinza okuba nga walidde.
Sinaalye yadde. Sirina kenaalidde.
Oze oli muyala nga bwe wajja. Kati kiki ekyo kyoyagala okutulagako?
Nazze nga bwe nabadde.
So tuli
Robert Mugabe
International Airport. Robert Mugabe International Airport. Tubeera kugamba
mbo. Afuga wuli. omulengedde uli wali.
Leka tulimba naawe. So any last word to your friend, please? But who is she to you?
Oh, she's my young sister.
What?
My young sister.
But is she sick?
No, I don't know. She's just
Why
moody.
is she not happy?
She just looked moody today. I don't know why.
You don't know why.
Yes.
How do you call this sister?
She's my sister.
Is your big sister?
Yes.
But it seems you're not happy. You're supposed to be happy. Harare, Zimbabwe. Okay. Where are you going to pass? Where is Mama Joanne? Yeah. You've seen her around. Okay, then say a few words to her, then we leave this place. Come this side. Say you're supposed to come here and say a few words to her. So this is Robert Mugabe International Airport. This is Robert Mugabe International Airport. So tell him what you're gonna miss about him.
I'm gonna miss him. I'm gonna miss the good times we had together. I don't know where he's coming back to take me home with him, because I want to go with him to Uganda, because I really enjoyed the marriage with my sister.
Oh, I thought you have already enjoyed something with him.
No, I really enjoyed the marriage for my sister, because you are a good family. So I would love him also to marry me, so that he will take me to Uganda.
Are you for real?
Yes, I'm for real. I love
So are
him.
you ready for him?
Yes, I'm ready.
She's ready for you, Mulamu.
So
Okay, tell her a few words.
I told you.
What are you going to miss about her
I told
for a
you-
few days, because you said you're going
At
to
least-
come
at
back
least-
for
at
her.
least- at
For a
least
few
I
days you're
told-
not going to be
At
around.
least I told you when we were coming. The way you see her.
I need to say hug. Yeah. Okay, sister, come here also. Come say to your whatever in-law to be. Say a few words to him.
Tell me something.
Yeah. What are you
I
going
would
to,
like to-
what are you going to
Murura?
miss, Murura? What are you going to miss about him for a few days that you've seen him with your sister?
I'm going to miss you, my dear. But I don't want to say this.
I don't understand. This lady is spotting something. She's having some negativity. Anyway, we don't need any negativity. Just move. Just move. We don't need any negativity. Wallah, I'm telling you, we don't need any negativity here. Okay. She's jealous, because she's saying, but I don't like this. I don't love seeing this. Why don't you love? Is your sister still young? Is she married? So why aren't you happy for her when she's finding some? First come. The in-law is calling you. Is Murura? Murura.
First
Murura, come here, sister. First come here a little bit. What's wrong with you?
Are you happy? That's what?
Are you happy for her?
Yes, I'm happy.
Happy.
You seem not to be happy. What's wrong?
Pretending.
I'm happy.
You're
How?
Yes, I'm happy.
okay. Which one?
Hold on. I have my surprise here.
This is Robert Mugabe International Airport. So this is the secret you've been telling
Yes,
me
that
about.
is the secret. But she's like refusing now.
But are you for real? Do you want to marry her? Yeah?
Yes.
It is a yes. Automatically. You're not ready.
Yes.
Until when?
It's too. The time is too little. I need some time to think.
To think. He's saying?
I want to do it so that when
I want to do it so that when I come back, you're there
Guys,
for me.
it should be a yes. What are you saying?
No, I can't do it now because it's too early. I
No,
just know him for
people are looking at him. People are looking at him.
No,
please.
no.
He's ready for
I
it.
want it now. I want
You
you
know,
to be
for a
there
few
for
ti-
me.
For a few days he has stayed with you.
I want to be there. I want you to be there for me until I come back. You are ready for what now?
He wants to put this as a sign of assurance that you will wait for him because he'll have to come back to Zimbabwe, to Harare, for you specifically.
He can
he wants
come.
to.
I'll wait for him without a ring because I don't really know him much. I just know him for a few days.
Mula tugenda kuswala noko eno sentebe Robert Mugabe abantu no balaba ate baseka.
Okay, bring the hand. Bring the hand.
By force, eh?
By force. Bring.
I'm ready for you.
I don't
Please
understand.
marry me. I don't have a husband. I'm single. Yes. No. Hey, why are you lying? Why are
I
you
don't
lying?
understand. She's saying if you're not ready, he's ready for him.
I'm ready for you. I love you.
And she's saying you're married already.
No,
She's married.
I don't understand. If you're not ready, she's saying she's ready.
You are not.
No, she's ready for the ring. I don't understand.
No, I'm not ready.
She's not ready, but her.
Put it on my finger.
She's ready. This one is ready for the ring. She's not ready, and she's ready.
I want her.
Not this one, eh? But this one is not ready.
You convince her.
I'm
How can I
ready
go
for
You
you.
convince her.
I'm ready.
The young sister is ready for you. She's not ready for you.
No, leave my man. Leave my man. I love you. I love you.
But you said you're not ready.
No, I'm ready now, baby. I'm ready.
But you guys, I don't understand. But in the beginning, you said you're not ready for it. Let me see. Let me see.
Let's look at the ring.
So let me make it.
That's why she wanted to grab my man.
So you want him also?
No, now.
She can even kill me.
Now, I'm going to get her husband.
Let me see. So you're putting it on, eh?
Yes. Now I'm going to get her husband in Kampala. You want husband?
Hey, no, it's mine.
You want husband? I'm going to get you someone.
No, he needs you. It's you who
Me, I'm now
should want.
taking.
He's taken with me this
You
one.
see-
It's mine already.
It's you I want.
No, you can't
It's
take
you
my
I
man.
want.
But before you said you're not interested. Anyway, you can show these people here. This is Robert Mugabe International Airport. Yeah, tuze kwerekerako mwanya mulamu wange ne mulamu wange sokoleke. Kino kibagamba simanya mbu bagamba kirugaba kya ensanafu. Simanya biki. Ati tambule. Bagaba batya?
Sanga fe tambule galu.
Ati olugalu tambula lutya?
Ate era kintu.
Watambule nga nsanafu.
Ayi ng'ovudde ku nsanafu. Ejjinja limu. And I fell in love with
But let me say something. Let me ask her something. Do you really love my in-law? Because the way you were pretending there, as if you did not want the ring. Not until she came and grabbed it. I could you pretended.
You loved it.
I couldn't express it, but I loved it.
But you're not
So
even
you even
putting it
loved
on.
Oh,
It's like you don't want
So you loved it.
I'm scared that this one will take it.
your sister.
Yes, that's why
No, but
She
now,
also
now,
loves
I've
the
already, now I've already put it on you.
Yes,
She cannot change your mind.
that's why I love you, my man.
When are you coming back for her?
No, I should not disclose. You never know.
Because enemies
Can even-
are
it
all
can
over.
even-
Look here.
It can even be
The
the next
enemies
Are
are all
over.
over.
thing. It can even
And the first
be,
one is already here.
Yes, so if she knows, it will be a mess.
It can even be tomorrow.
So you don't miss your like you don't trust your sister.
I don't even trust her. I used to trust her. I didn't know that she can be rude like this. I didn't know my own blood would make something like this.
Are you for real?
Yes, I'm for real. I didn't
She
expect
has
it.
never done such a thing.
Never
like
in
this.
her whole life. And she got a husband. I don't know why she wanted my own.
She has already.
Yes, she's already married.
And your sister is saying you're already married.
She's lying.
I'm not lying.
Or
lying.
who of you is married? Of you who is married?
No, I'm not married.
Now I'm scared. Mulamu. She's saying this one is married. And she's saying this one is also what? Maybe that's why she was rejecting your ring. Maybe she's married. So you have to make enough research.
She has told you straight away from the horse's mouth that she's not married.
From the horse's what?
From the horse's mouth.
That what?
She's not married.
Look, I'm married.
I'm now. She's now mine.
She's now yours.
Yes.
How sure are you? Maybe the moment you exit Zimbabwe,
she's
she'll
mine.
meet someone else.
She's mine because we shall always communicate. You know, it's about communication.
Aren't you happy for your sister? Why?
I'm not happy because she's lying.
She's married.
She's lying. She's married. I'm not married.
But
You are married?
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Anyway, katugende.
we want to catch up.
Just mukubiraho kabayi. Go. For us, we're going back because I am not going anywhere. I'm still here. Okay, bye. Yada. Bye-bye. Yada.
As manager Vibes UG twandibadde tuli wano olwaleero nga kalango kano tukuba ka ssente naye si bwe kiri olwaleero. We are here to support a sister, we are here to support another media personality. Ayina kye yeekoleddewo. She's trying to inspire abaana ab'obuwala abali eyo that you also you can try to do something in the society. Nyondo Gilim kye kizigo kye yakoze, kizigo kirungi nnyo. Ffenna abali wano atuwadde ka package tugende tukagezese. So gwe wena ali eyo, if you're looking out for something ekyokwesiiga ekizigo ekirungi, Nyondo kozi kyesitamanyi oba alina ak'abasajja oba ak'abakazi, naye oba oli mukazi oba oli musajja, ndowooza ffenna katukolako. Kangende ngezesa akange. Nyondo Media ebale kutukyaza. Everyone out there, please go support Nyondo Gilim ke kaloshoni akamaanyi kano kolaba. Thank you.